Welcome to Foxy Tech Tips video on deleting sent snaps before the other person can see them. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I created a second account to test it on. I'll start by sending a message to that Snap account. Okay, now that message has been sent and delivered but not yet opened. This is how you delete the chat. Open up the chat again. Now press and hold down on the chat and a little menu will pop open. From here you can tap on delete. Now that I've deleted it, I will log into the account I sent the message to check if the message can be seen. As you can see, the message has been removed and there is no way to see what the original message says. It does let them know that a message has been removed, however, so you might have some explaining to do. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.